To fix internet connection problem on Windows 11 computer, first of all, right click on Start menu, click on Device Manager, and then go to Network Adapters, expand it, right click on your network adapter and go to Properties, select Driver and click on Update Driver, and then click on Search automatically for drivers, and update is finished. Just close driver property and then close device manager. Now in search, type services, right click on services and click on run as administrator. Scroll down. Here you will find the network connections. Right click on it and click on properties, and the connection is stopped. Select automatic and then click on start. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Here you will find Wi-Fi direct service connection. Right click on it and click on properties and then click on automatic and click on start. Now click on apply, then click OK. Now close services. Now again in search, type control panel, click on control panel. In view by category is selected. Here you will find network and internet. Click on view network status and task, and in left side click on change adapter sharing, and here right click on your network adapter and first of all click disable, and again right click on your network adapter and click on enable, and then right click on network adapter and then click on properties. Now click on internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. Obtain DNS server address automatically is selected. Just select use the following DNS server address and type 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4. These are Google DNS servers address, and now click on OK. Click close. Close control panel. In search, type CMD. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Click on yes. In command prompt, type ipconfig/release. Now hit enter. Again type ipconfig/renew. Now hit enter. Renew the IP addresses and then type ipconfig/DNS. Now hit enter. Successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Now close command prompt. Hope your internet connection problem is fixed on Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.